it's Gina from WTI. I'm in the process of doing a little rearranging in my front room, and when I saw these Home Brilliant Chenille pillow covers, I knew that they would be perfect. What really stood out to me about them is the texture and the color combination. So it's more than just a plain color teal. It has stripes of black and white thread throughout it that I feel really just bring out the teal color nicely and break it up and make it unique. The fabric is really soft and comfortable, and I love that it's a 12 by 20 inch lumbar pillow because actually I use it on my lower back when I'm watching TV, and it helps to support it and make me comfortable. I've washed these in my washing machine on cold water and then hung them up to dry, and they washed up really well. They have a hidden zipper that makes for a really finished look, and it just complements the other pillows on my couch, but it actually also looks really good in my bedroom too. So I know that these are multi-purpose pillows I can use anywhere in the home. If you're looking for a set of pillow covers that are really soft, they're going to feel so good on your skin, they wash well, and they're going to complement the other decor that you have in your home, I recommend these ones from Home Brilliant. There's lots of colors to choose from, and that's my point of view.